Tired of project deadlines slipping because you're constantly surprised by team members being out of office? Let's jump straight into how to easily add time off in Clockify, so you can accurately track employee availability and keep your projects on schedule. First, make sure you're logged into your Clockify account as an admin or someone with permission to manage time off. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on the Time Off tab. This will take you to the Time Off Management section. Now, look for the Add Time Off button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. A form will appear first. Select the user for whom you are adding time off. This could be yourself or another team member, depending on your permissions. Next, choose the type of time off. Clockify typically offers predefined options like vacation, sick day, or personal time. Select the one that applies. Now, specify the start and end dates for the time off period. Use the date picker to easily select the dates. In the description field, you can add any relevant details about the time off. This is optional, but helpful for context. Finally, if you're an admin, you may have the option to approve the time off request directly. If so, make sure the Approve checkbox is selected. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click the Save button and that's it. The time off will now be recorded in Clockify. You'll now be able to see the time off reflected in the team calendar, ensuring everyone is aware of employee availability, leading to smoother project planning and happier teams.